Today I am going to Granville Island to link up with a friend of mine, Face. He's got a drone. He's always flying it around, but this time, long awaited, we're gonna collaborate today. He's gonna get some drone footage. I'm gonna be skating. It's a cool little island joint right beneath the Granville Bridge. Super beautiful, great architecture, awesome colors, very unique style. And then afterwards, I'm probably going to Plaza at 1 p.m. to link with a skateboard filmer, Regan, and we're gonna go experiment with the VX700 because he hasn't really been using that much. Gonna be doing different things, flying drones, filming VX7s. So it should be tight. Stay tuned for today's video. Right now, I'm gonna do a couple stretches before I leave the house, and I'll pop up at Granville Island shortly here. That scared me. I literally had to ollie over a railway because I was just bombing the street so fast. But I'm blessed. We made it. It's ironic that I'm back here because right here is a licorice parlor. It's not open yet. I should probably hit it again before I leave. Because I didn't have enough time to make a nice breakfast, I made a PB sandwich. So I'm gonna eat this and then we'll get to drone shooting. This is where the school is, I think. This is Emily Carr. So we're at Granville Island right now, chilling by the water, viewing the south side of Vancouver, and then the north is to this side. We were in the interior of Granville Island before, but it got a little cold, so we thought we'd come out and chill in the sun. We're gonna get a few clips on the skateboard after this, but right now we're just trying to absorb all this sunlight. Haha. Look, FaZe is distracted as hell, okay? Obviously he doesn't care about his drone right now. Look at him, he's not focused on it. Yet it's just doing its thing in the air, hella far away. Dude, yo, we're just seeing birds around here. They're gonna take out the drone. Oh man, I'd rather kill that seagull than let a drone fall. It's like a $2,000 loss because of a stupid bird. Not to hate or anything, but the truth. Alright, so check it. I'm just gonna vibe on this thing, do some couple dance moves. Cool, that's it. Alright, I'm just gonna chill here and start dancing.
Cadence.
Alright, so FaZe is gonna pack it up and we're gonna go further into Granville and just film some drone clips with the skateboard. So right now we're hitting a tennis court. I'm just gonna skate flat here and toy around, practice some tricks, and just vibe at the tennis court. I actually played 21 with a friend of mine, and we actually put in work I never put so much effort into basketball before, and it was super fun actually. That's it. I just gotta switch to steel real quick, take the jacket off, let the burgundy shine. Done flying the drone, Faith ended up having to leave, so I'm packing it up. I just wanted to say that drone experience was super fun. I've never been around or experienced anyone who owns a drone before. One thing I noticed that was really cool was that you can autopilot and review the clips at the same time. It'll just hover there beside you. It's crazy. Right now, I'm gonna go to Plaza and link with Regan and film VX7 clips. That's the plan. Should come together nicely, and I'll catch you guys over there. I literally just saw a Licorice Parlor Volkswagen van. It has the logo and everything. My father loves Volkswagen vans, and the fact that I love black licorice, the fusion is priceless. I just want to say that because I missed the ability to record it. But here's my package. Let's grab one. What's the one? Okay, vlog can continue. I also just remembered I need to buy a cast iron at Canadian Tire before I go home tonight. So that's gonna be on the list too. Hopefully you guys like those Plaza clips. I did a couple tricks that I really enjoyed. I tightened the base plates, made sure they were straight and aligned, and it felt better. Right now, I'm at the library and I'm gonna go catch a book that I've been waiting and long anticipating, and then I gotta go to Canadian Tire to pick up that cast iron pan. So this is what we're working with. I'll show you in just one moment. I like this angle because the library is just styled in the background here. I'm always super grateful when I go to Indigo because it's a great place to go and it's just full of inspiration. But every book costs $20 to $30 and I'm just not with that. So, boom, wise as fuck. You can read it. you die at the end. A series of meditations on death and the human condition, mortality and the human condition. And then lastly, because our world is emerging at a very quick pace and our current economy is pretty strife, I've got a book on the blockchain revolution about the technology and why it's threatening our current economy and our financial system and why it is for the better. So bless those books. I'm very grateful. Once again, this library is a gift. Anyways, let's go get that cast iron pan because I damn well need it for my stir fries in order to save money and keep my wallet full. I got the cast iron I've been looking for. I've been doing online reviews, online reading forums. The lady who just helped me describe me if this is going to be a good pan pretty much sold me on it immediately. She broke it down for me. She killed it. She's the best. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and buy this. I'm going to pre-season it and make it happen. Okay, everybody, I am straight up donezo with today. I got my cast iron. I got a bunch of necessity tools like a cutting board, knife, can opener, etc. I'm exhausted. I've got a ton of gear and I'm just gonna sign off now. You pretty much saw what I did today. Unfortunately, the VX7 wasn't done today, but I thought I would still be productive and do iPhone clips for you guys. And now we're tossing the day off with the cast iron. This is the money. This is what I've been long anticipating since I moved out. And that's pretty much a summary of today's video and vlog. Thanks guys for watching. I'm stoked, got to skate today. It's been really beautiful, nice. The sun was just shining like it was spring. It's crazy. It's December 5th and that's all. So thanks guys, subscribe for more videos. I'm pretty juiced and inspired and I'm gonna call it a night. So I'll catch you guys on the next upload. Done, finished, taking the bus home, done, taking a rest, chilling, got books as well. And that's it, and I'm tired, I'm out. Peace.